It's been a while, but I'm still alive.
What you want? What you want?
Figured I'd give you guys a quick update on what's going on and all that good jazz, because I haven't posted anything since like before Halloween. You guys are following that stuff. I do think I've got I got some night footage and I got some finished footage of Halloween, but I didn't get any footage on Halloween night. And I'll throw that video together, get that out there, so those of you guys that were following that can at least see part of a finished project. It turned out pretty good. Anyway, this room down here is usually where I do all my work, and this place had so much crap in it you couldn't walk in it just because of Halloween and pulling out just different stuff. So I couldn't even work down here and had to get all this crap cleaned up just so I could work again. And I've got a lot of stuff this year that I'm really going to get done. I know I said this crap last year and I didn't do a damn thing on anything that I said I was going to do, but this year is going to be a little bit different. I'm working on a video right now. It'll probably be out in a couple weeks because I'm building something from scratch. Look forward to that in the future. Should be pretty good. I got to get this thing done. It's a commission deal for Christmas time, so I figured I would get a video of it. Anyway, in the midst of cleaning all this stuff up, I come across a ton of projects that haven't been finished. So I figure, starting out now that it's going to be Christmas time and all that stuff, everything's slowing down, I'm going to finish out these projects, and they're going to be videos that we'll put up, and I'm just going to show you all the crap that I still have to get done. So this whole shelf here is full of unfinished projects that never got finished up. I even got this down here that I started 7 years ago. A Medusa mask, and I was doing all these individual scales all over this mask. It's been so long that a lot of the tongues have broke out of the little snake heads. I need to get that done. That one's going to be like one of the last, because there's a lot to get done on that. And I think I even have footage of making the snake heads and all that stuff. This was a plant deal, right? That I mean, years ago, long time ago that I started. I never finished it. My wife really wants me to finish it, so I may pull that out as a video and revamp this thing and redo it. This little dude here, originally he was going to have a pumpkin head. He was going to be this pumpkin creature thing for the yard. That never got done. So we'll get him finished up. We got to make a head, hands, detail this out a lot more, feet, all that good stuff. Over here, bases for pumpkins that were never finished. Pumpkins that got further than these two still didn't get finished. This was a cat that I started, God, 8 years ago, and I never finished it. It had a tail, the tail broke off. It had another ear, it come off. So there's going to be a video on repairing him, finishing him. This head, there's the video on how to make this zombie head. It started from the how to make a skull, and then we did the zombie head, and then I said I was going to do more and paint it out, and then I wanted to make like a groundbreaker dude out of him, but I'm doing it different than my other videos on how to make a groundbreaker. I'm just trying different techniques. So I got to finish him, make a video. He's going to be another video, and this is all going to be different. We've got the Raven skull that we were doing YouTube live on. Got to get him finished up. We got the body parts for the Raven. Got the skull. The skull's pretty well almost there. I'm not going to do a live class. We're just going to film this, turn it into a video, get it all done. This is another little bitty dude that I started years ago just for a tabletop piece. He needs to get finished up, so we need to get him going. These three guys that I was making before Halloween with the new texture that I said I was going to sell and all that good stuff, remember? You can see they're not done. So we'll do a video, I guess, just painting these guys and still getting them done. The wood clay pumpkin, the big wood clay pumpkin, I did use him for Halloween. Last year I was painting him and I was doing it live. He needs to get finished painted. He's not finished. He needs more highlights in here, dark lights, and we gotta get the stem painted up, so gotta get him knocked out. Those gotta get painted. That's gotta get completely finished. This guy's gotta get finished up. This raven's gotta get, raven skull's gotta get done. The cat's gotta get done. And these pumpkins gotta get done. That thing, very last, and this other guy. So once I'm done with this commission deal and everything, then we're gonna start working on this other stuff. I may even start working on this while this stuff's going, because there's always that dry time, you know, where you can't work on it and it's gotta get done. I guess, I don't know, leave some comments below. Let me know, out of that stuff up there, what you'd like to see done, I guess, first. And I'll try to work that direction. I was kind of thinking on knocking this paint out real quick, because that's the fastest, and I get those done, I get put up in storage, and they're out of here, and it gives me more room. But yeah, that's where it's been. This year will be a busy year. There's a lot going on, a lot of stuff I'm not going to talk about until we actually commit to it. One thing that I am, I said last year there was the bar that I was going to decorate. I didn't get it done. I got hit up again. Come Halloween, I didn't have the time to do it, so I'm going to start making stuff for the bar. There's going to be videos on that. I think I'm going to do some hanging torsos and stuff, and maybe do some pumpkin jacks. I've been promising to do a video on how I've done my pumpkin jacks in the past, so we'll do a real tutorial on how to do the pumpkin jacks, because I got to make those for that place. There's a lot going on. I'm excited. It's going to be fun. I hope I can keep all you guys entertained. There's been a lot of new subscribers. Thank you to all those new people who subscribed. It's amazing. It's awesome. A lot of good comments. Love it. I'm glad you guys have decided to subscribe and, you know, watch what I do. It's amazing to me. I'm just a guy. Anybody can do this stuff. Anybody can do mache work. My way is not the best way, and it's not the only way you can do this stuff. It's just how I do it. So when I do my videos and I do tutorials, I'm just showing you how I do it. There's other ways to do it, but I'm just showing you guys how I do it. Maybe you can learn from it. Maybe there's some inspiration. So anyway, until next time, you know, keep making something from nothing.